000 you want to see real results. Here's exactly how I used ChatGPT, Claude, and Midjourney to create and sell a digital product that made $546 in just 5 days. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact steps to build a money-making workflow using the latest AI tools in 2026. 30 So why does this even matter? First off, these AI tools aren't just trending. They are the backbone of real online businesses today. Competition is probably still watching outdated TikToks. You're about to shortcut hours of guesswork and tap into methods that work in 2026, not 2024. AI is faster, cheaper, and when used right, can absolutely outpace $15/hour Fiverr game.
Competition is up, so is demand, especially for niche high-quality digital products. And with these 3 tools, you can launch your first offer before lunch. 130 Let's get into the nitty-gritty. Here's what you need for today's method. A computer, any OS works. Free or paid accounts with ChatGPT, Claude, and Midjourney. Access to PayPal, Stripe, or another way to get paid in less than an hour to start. That's it. Don't need fancy automation or paid ads yet. 200 Step 1. Find your micro niche. In 2026, broad make money categories are flooded. You want to target a problem so specific it feels almost silly. Go to Google Trends and search for recent breakouts. For example, Notion travel planners, AI-generated coloring books, Claude writing prompts for college essays. Goal demand with few high-quality supply options. You see multiple products with recent sales and no dominant player. That's a green light. Pattern interrupt. Zoom in on a trending digital product, e.g. AI tarot card packs. 315 Step 2. Use ChatGPT to generate the raw content fast. Say you pick personal finance Notion template for freelancer. Paste this prompt ChatGPT 5. 0 will output all sections in description. Don't just copy-paste. Ask ChatGPT to expand, refine, and explain each section. 425 Claude is for professional polish and upsell. Take ChatGPT's text, paste it into Claude, and ask Claude is more context-aware for longer doc. It catches phrasing ChatGPT misses and helps you add an ebook or checklist without manual work. Pattern interrupt. Show PDF file and mini ebook icon appearing. 545 Now create visuals people want to pay for. In Midjourney, paste a prompt like you get AI-generated covers custom for your product. Download your favorite ad as a header or preview image. If you're making a printable, think coloring page, calendar, habit tracker. Just tweak your prompt. 700 Bundle your Notion link / printable PDF, bonus ebook, and graphics into one zip. In Gumroad, upload set price $8-15 for first product, $1-2 upsell for bonuses. Use copy Claude wrote for Etsy. Same product, tweak title for Etsy keywords, upload sample cover, set instant delivery. Bonus listed on AI-specific marketplaces like Prompt Base or Koala. Pattern interrupt. Comparison of $0 vs. $125 in Gumroad - 800. Here's where it gets interesting. Some real pro tips. 1. Don't settle for AI outputs as is. Combine outputs, e.g. use both ChatGPT and Claude in the same document. Always humanize with your tone in the final pass. 2. Use Midjourney's new upscaler for sharper covers, only released in February 2026. Boost conversion by around 8% on average, tested across 9 products. 3. Stack your buyers. When someone buys, automatically offer a higher ticket product with Zapier or Gumroad workflow. Example, $8 Notion pack right arrow $19 ultimate freelancer toolkit. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every DIY and you don't want to miss the next one. 900 So what does all this get you? Here's the real result.
$546 in 5 days from a product built in a single afternoon. No paid ads, no fancy tech. Just AI, some hustle, and a method that works in 2026. Potential, not guaranteed. But the upside is real if you execute well. Here's the next step. Grab those tools, ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney. One micro niche and execute with this process. Want more advanced walkthroughs or to see me build a $1,000/month funnel on camera? Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new AI money guides every single day. Next story is even crazier than this, trust me. If you like this, go watch my episode where I automate my entire Etsy shop with GPT-5. You'll want to see how it stacks up, not financial advice.